Where I live, nearby there is a lake, and in front of that lake is one old age home. One day, while I was walking, I saw a man sitting on one bench alone. He was old, gray hair, and he was wearing a lungi and a short kurta, and was just sitting there looking into something. I saw him from a distance, and I just immediately felt like I wanted to say hi. So I was walking this way. I changed my path, reached up to him, and went, said, Namaste, uncle, kaise hain aap? He was startled seeing me. Like, he wasn't expecting someone to come up to him like that. I just sat across the bench. So he was sitting here. I went and sat here. And I asked, kaise hain aap, uncle? So he's like, kaise hi honge? बूढ़े हो गए हैं बस ठीक है तो लाइक तब भी मतलब कुछ और क्या चल रहा है तबीयत अच्छी है हाँ ठीक है देन देयर वाज एन ऑकवर्ड साइलेंस देन ही आस्क्ड कहाँ से हो सो फ्रॉम हिज टोन आई कुड टेल ही इज अ बंगाली एंड आई सेड मैं प्रयागराज से हूँ पहले इलाहाबाद बोलते थे अरे तुम इलाहाबाद से हो मैं भी वहां पे नौकरी करता था नोएनी में नैनी में नैनी इज अ प्लेस जीईसी करके कंपनी था वहां पे मैं वहां पे था मैं टैक्स का काम करता था he started just talking and it was just like I had this sparkle in my eyes like oh god like how universe how this is one person I came to meet and he has lived in that place I asked him when did you live there and he was like मैं 1972 में वहां पे रहता था and I was counting oh okay I mean even my mom was a kid back then like in 1972 और वो वहां पे तब थे and he just started talking about his days there and just about Durga Puja how he used to organize all of that he knew places names of so many localities कि वो लूकरगंज में जाते थे और वो रामबाग में जाते थे और वहां से वो ट्रेन लेते थे और वो बनारस जाते थे and like I always love meeting people from my hometown but this one felt kind of special because this looked like a really, really lonely man when I saw him first. And then instantly we had something to talk about. He likes talking about Allahabad a lot. He would also like, one day I took my husband on my walk and I said, I'll make you meet him. And we went there, said namaste again. And then he started talking to my husband also that okay so मैं ये करता था वो करता था he would tell stories about how he purchased the land there and what happened to the land किसको बेचा कहाँ बेचा he really talks in length okay he would like to tell about every detail but one part it's just like I उनको देख के ऐसा लगता है कि यार थोड़ा तो मतलब सैडनेस क्वेश्चंट रहता है लाइक इवन द पर्सन इज लाइवली ही टॉक्स अबाउट थिंग्स ही कीप्स हिमसेल्फ डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बट जब ओल्ड एज होम की बात होती है ना तो ही इज लाइक अरे क्या यहाँ पे सारा डिफेक्टिव माल को छोड़ देते हैं हॉस्पिटल से लाते हैं यहाँ पे छोड़ देते हैं ऐसा लाइक ही वुड जस्ट से इट एंड आई ऑल्सो डोंट फील लाइक गेटिंग इन टू द डिटेल्स ऑफ इट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कोई ऐसी मतलब नस ऐसे दुखते घाव को क्यों मैं ऐसे कुरेदूं आई डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग दैट बट एहसास हो जाता है लाइक Prashant also felt that. He was sounding kind of low when he was talking about the situation. But it's okay. I mean, I don't know his life journey. I don't know anything, what sort of a person he was. I'm no place to judge. Is it right? Is it wrong? Not my place. But the interactions that we have, that is my right. And I make sure to say hi, namaste every time I go. I asked his name. His name is Rabindranath Chatterjee. He talks with a lot of zeal. I am sure he was one of those who would like really take lead in organizing Durga Pujo because sounds like him. I mean, still he has that in his voice. He is loud and likes to talk. We would talk for like 5 minutes max every day. I would just go say hi, ask कैसी है तबीयत दांत का दर्द कैसा है बाकी अच्छा आज शेव करके आए आज अच्छे लग रहे हैं these sort of small talks. I don't know, it's just felt like sharing this, not drawing any conclusions here regarding anything whatsoever. Just wanted to share that found a person, 82 years of age, lived in my hometown before I even existed anywhere, and met him here in an unknown city, unknown to both of us, probably. It just happened.